Any great descriptive you come up with the best. We got smoke on. Look to your right, the Lamborghini has left the building. Come on, cheer and scream for your favourite here. Check that Lamborghini out. Now Marcus turned too early yesterday. Oh, no, Paul's onto it.
Yeah, Paul's onto it.
Yesterday Marcus went through.
I think Marco was worried he couldn't see the end of the runway. He was going to end up in Nowra.
At that pace, I think he would have landed in Nowra what he was going to. The race is back to here, folks. The Lambo has turned and is coming back here. Who will take the win? Wow, that thing is accelerating across the ground. It's going to be close. And we are on the finish line today. That thing is still accelerating. I think Paul Bennet's stirring him up. Put your hands together, boys and girls, and thrill seekers. Paul Bennet takes the win. And he's happy with that. Barrels, here we go. Oh yeah! I think I counted 10. And here he comes for the first time about that on the deck. The Cockpits Pro. They call that the centrifuge. Gut-turning, mind-blowing G-forces experienced through that act. Ball will now climb vertically. Roll to the left, then to the right. And set up for some of the craziest inside snap rolls you'll ever see. Here we go. Oh yeah. And any time through the performance, if you have the urge to yell and scream, I encourage you to do it because he makes that happen to all of the things around the world. Look at this. Check out as you'll show one of the tightest inside loops you'll ever see. Oh yeah. Spinning and floating back down. Upside down, inside out. Outside loop. Massive G-forces now pull vertical again. Twist in the middle to show good faith, and he's going to show off his brand new Hartzell propeller, hanging it up with 1, 2 hammerheads. The symphony of Lycoming is what you hear now. Paul turns back around with a half cube, and we're going to throw a few wrongs at the top. That is pure horsepower you're hearing there. Now back into the vertical. How strong is this airship? How good does it look in the sun? Watch him now as he performs another tight loop. We'll go into a hover. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see if we can cross over to Paul Bennet now. Those grunts are real. That's what it takes to be one of the best aerobatic pilots in the world. Ha ha! Have you had enough yet, Shellharbour? Who wants more? No, I cannot hear you. You tell me if you want more. Oh yeah. Paul now climb up in. Reminds me, I'm going to pay my dentist bill when I get home. This is what we call the rolling sawtooth. Oh yeah, it's hard to stop him once he starts. Going to set up for another crazy front flip. Here we go. Oh yeah. Remember, you can yell and scream whenever you like as he swings this plane, floats and flies back down to Mother Earth. Showing his aerobatic heritage with a beautifully positioned 4-point hesitation roll. When he gets up to the top, this one's for the kids. We call it the Humpty Bump. What do you think here, Shellharbour? He'll now pull straight centre. We have not finished yet. Turns to the right. Let's see if we can get some flat spinning here above the ground. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, talk about the performance and capability of this aircraft. The man at the stick. So we're about to do a stunt that it wasn't too long ago. He cut through his half Cuban. It was deemed impossible. This next moment makes great photography, great video, and remember to share with our socials as Paul comes in and we do what we call the slider. That is insane, ladies and gentlemen. What are we going to give us here? Just one overhead. We're going to bring it back down on the land here at the moment. Here we go. Get your cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen. We've got smoke on. We're going to put the tail down onto the tarmac. Here is Paul Bennet and the Wolf Pride. Yeah, that's right. You got to make some noise now, Shellharbour. Give it up for Paul Bennet. If you've never seen this before, I'm going to give it to you in stages. So firstly, we've got someone standing down in the middle of this runway with a radio trying to communicate to this mad pilot doing a knife edge in between the up and down ramp of that motorcycle. Are you ready, Shellharbour? The positioning. Here we go. Tommy's upside down. Did you like that, Shellharbour? You'll remember this for a while, kids. Make sure you tell them at school on Monday that you saw the coolest motorcycle stunt in the world. Here we go.